Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to redeem xBox gift cards. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. There are several ways in order to redeem your xBox gift cards. You can do it on your Windows and your mobile app. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your xBox gift cards on your Windows 10 in your Microsoft Store. Since this is probably the fastest way to redeem a code. Click open your Microsoft Store and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, from the home screen click on the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen. Now, from the pop-up, select Redeem a Code. Now enter the 25 characters code. Once you enter your code, click on the Next button and simply follow the prompts in order to complete your request. That is how you can easily redeem your xBox gift cards online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.